Workshop upgrades continue. The Makita Miter Saw makes light work squaring up the plywood. The Evolution Rage 5S rips down these strips. Then a 45-degree miter is added. But why? Keep watching to find out. Assembly now. Countersunk holes pre-drilled. Bench dogs help with alignment. CA glue is added. Did you spot the mistake? Let me know in the comments. Quick clamp whilst the CA sets. Final stages. Pop in a few screws. Add the crucial component, the French cleat. So, it's out with the old and in with the new. The first of many improvements to be made to the Makita French cleat wall.